Yes, very good morning, children. I know that we were discussing, the liquidity preference theory that we have completed. And in one class, I have started, quantity theory of money, Irving Fisher. But that is not started in the other class. So I am leaving that theory there. We will continue in the next class that today we are dealing with, the common topic, inflation and the concept of inflation. Children never take inflation as a very light topic. Inflation is what we see, muted children. Inflation is what we see in everyday life. Many times I told you, and inflation is, what we are seeing in daily life, no doubt at all. In addition to that, this is the major concept in macroeconomics. As far as a nation is concerned, how do we measure GDP, gross domestic product, national income? Like that, we consider inflation also. That is why here we are going to consider various concepts of inflation. First, you understand inflation means, look, continuous increase in price level. Though we have told so many times, still there are people who are taking this inflation very lightly. Okay, inflation का मतलब ही ये है कि महंगाई सब जगह में प्राइस बढ़ जाता है. And when the price is increasing, the main reason is this: money supply is also increasing. Okay, Paul Samuelson is a Nobel Prize winner. He defines inflation as a rise in the general price level. So Paul Samuelson defines inflation as an increase in the general price level. General price level, you will see as we go further, we will explain what is WPI, wholesale price index, what is consumer price index, we will be explaining. So here, there are different types of inflation, children. One is headline inflation. Okay, this is something which is very significant as far as economics is concerned. What do you mean by headline inflation? Headline inflation is also known as top line inflation. Okay, it refers to the total inflation within the country. So whatever generally we say inflation is 5%, inflation is 6%, inflation is 10%, we will, we generally use that term percentage of inflation. In that we are using the headline inflation. This is measured on the basis of wholesale price index. Little before I told you. WPI is the basis for calculating inflation. Children, you are very well aware that WPI and consumer price index are different. What's the reason? Wholesale price index mean, this is wholesale. The wholesale price index mean generally we calculate wholesale price. Say for example, I wanted to buy 50 kilo of onion. Okay, so I may prefer to go to a wholesale market in Washi. So 50 kilo of onion, I may get, say, at the rate of ₹12. One example, wholesale price. But I wanted to buy only 2 kilo of onion, so I may prefer the grocery shop near to my house. There, 1 kilo is costing 25 rupees. See the difference? Because this is a consumer price index. आपने आपका घर का बाजू का दुकान से 2 किलो ऑनियन लेता है, there you are paying 25 rupees per kilo. Whereas when you are going to buy 50 kilo of onion, you are paying only ₹12. The reason is just half price you are paying because you are considering or you are going to the wholesale market. Wholesale market means quantity ज़्यादा होगा, price will be less. So here in the headline inflation, we are calculating inflation based on wholesale price index. Children, these are the areas which are very important if your exam is MCQs again. So headline inflation is measured on the basis of wholesale price index. Children, I'm repeating, wholesale price index is different from consumer price index. CPI and WPI alag hai. What is the difference? Wholesale price index means we calculate the price on the purchase of whole, when we purchase wholesale. Jada quantity lene ka time, we will calculate WPI. Generally, WPI will be less comparing to CPI because consumer price index is what the consumer is buying for day-to-day transaction. So then naturally it will be less because the quantity will be, consumer price index will be more because the quantity is less. That is the difference between WPI and CPI. This is the most important concept of inflation. That is core inflation. Children, what do you mean by core inflation? Core inflation means it excludes, see this word. Core inflation excludes temporary price fluctuation such as price increase in the case of commodities like food items and energy product. Children, don't get confused. Core inflation means it excludes, it does not include two major items. One item is food items and other item is energy. Energy means oil and petrol. Oil and petrol. So core inflation means, you can see here, HL minus FF. What is HL, children? HL is the the price of energy product, and FF is the food inflation. Okay, energy price as well as the food inflation, both are not included. I wanted to ask you something here. Children, I already told you to mute your. Who has unmuted? I may be forced to remove you people if you are creating background noise. I'm just, checking one word, 1 minute. Just see that because this is a very important sentence. Let me just check one word over there. That's what I'm doing. Give me 1 minute time. Core inflation. Okay, children, that HL I got a slight doubt. That is what I was trying to consider. What is that HL? So remember here, it is food inflation means HL minus FL. Two items we are a headline inflation. Yes, correct. Now I got it. This is headline inflation minus food items and energy product items. Here what is happening is, generally most of the times, even many countries in the world, they are always announcing their core inflation rate. Please remember, 1 minute, children. So children, many countries, when they declare this inflation, they declare the core inflation rate. But when they declare and they say that inflation is less. So when you see Even, most of the countries, sometimes even developed countries, they also declare or they also consider core inflation for their main monetary policies. But the problem of core inflation is it is not the correct inflation. Due to what reason? Why it is not the correct inflation? Because it does not include two major things. Okay, it does not include two major things. That is, it does not include food items as well as energy product. We know that these are the items where generally price increases. You take the case of, whatever food we are buying daily, let it be vegetables, let it be fruits. Then you take the case of oil prices. If these two are excluded, naturally core inflation does not give a very clear picture. Children, be careful here. I'm giving you the example. At present, you take the case of inflation in India. If we are excluding the oil price or if we are excluding the petrol price, we know that naturally inflation will be less. But the problem is last, say, you can say 6 months, how much the petrol prices increased. Now 1 liter of petrol is costing more than 100 rupees, 103, 105 rupees per liter. So how much the price of petrol has increased? So automatically what is happening is whenever a country is, calculating inflation based on core inflation, it is not giving a correct picture. Because similarly, you take the case of food items. I don't know, you are very young children. Edible oil. Children समझ में नहीं आने पर बोलो मैडम और एक बार explain करने के लिए. You take the case of edible oil. What is edible oil? मम्मी घर में cooking के लिए जो oil use करते हैं, that is edible oil. Okay. Let it be palm oil, let it be safflower, let it be olive oil, any oil which you are using for your cooking. Now, last says 3-4 months, this edible oil prices increased more than 50%. Say, for example, I am using safflower oil. Okay. So I am very clearly remembering I was paying 110 rupees for safflower, 1 kilo packet. Now I am paying 145 rupees for safflower. So आप देखो 30 rupees per kilo has increased. This is the same case with any other edible oil. So एक common man का calculation में सबसे important item है food and oil, food and petrol. ये दो exclude करने पर जो data आता है, that data is not the major, that is not the main measurement of inflation. So that is why children, whenever you are reading or you are googling out and finding out the answer, you may say that, madam, आपका जो figure और ये figure different है. The reason is you have to see that what methodology are they using. Are they using core inflation data or are they using headline inflation data? So let me just get it from you. What is core inflation? Tell me, children. Unmute yourself and tell what is core inflation. Yes, I want the answer. आवाज किधर गया? जब नहीं चाहिए आवाज इतना आएगा. Okay, let me check the chat box. Very good. Not the temporary price. No, children. Core inflation includes, it excludes 2 items. What are the 2 items? Not temporary price. That is wrong. Core
food items, energy
Food
products.
items.
Energy products.
Energy means petrol and oil. Please remember, that is coming under energy. Yes, you are right. So core inflation exclude 2 main items. It is just like we say that you are, I am asking your marks, how much you have, secured, but I am not including your accounts subjects marks. As far as a commerce student is concerned, accounts is the main paper. If that marks are excluded, then there is no meaning. Similarly, core inflation में जो main item है दोनों में excluded है. Because I told you, as India does not follow this core inflation, for your information. I'm talking about many Western countries. They are all, using this core inflation. It may be the reason वो लोगों का country में food inflation हमारा country के जैसा नहीं होता होगा. Petrol का price भी हमारा जैसा increase नहीं होता होगा. And you are very well aware, India is a rare country where the prices of petrol are increased like anything during this last 6 months. That we have to accept. Now we are talking food inflation. अभी जो ऊपर discuss किया वो separately we are calculating. Okay. So what is food inflation? Food inflation is calculated on the prices of the food article in the primary articles group and manufactured food product in the manufactured group. Children, be little careful. Food inflation include the two types of article. One article is primary article, second article is manufactured goods. There are two articles or there are two goods. One is a primary food, other is a manufactured goods. What is the difference? Primary goods are what we eat, what we use every day. Whereas manufactured products, it is very useful for business. So here we have given the example prices of rice, wheat. 1 minute, I'll shift this up. Pulses, vegetables, rice, wheat 2 बार हो गया, rice, wheat 2 बार हो गया, I'm cutting it. So what is happening here is, in the case of food inflation, children, we are focusing basically on the food items because these are the items which we are using in everyday life. Simple calculation में आप आपका घर में आप मम्मी से बात करता है, फिर आपको मालूम पड़ेगा मम्मी टॉक्स अबाउट फूड इन्फ्लेशन बिकॉज रोज जो किचन में यूज होने वाला आइटम है वो तो फूड इन्फ्लेशन में ही आता है. ओके, वेजिटेबल का प्राइस होने दो, फ्रूट्स का होने दो, नहीं तो राइस, व्हीट जो भी होने दो, these are the items we are using daily. And I told you a good rice, 1 kilo rice was costing, I am remembering, say 40 rupees. Very good, excellent, that Surati column what we call. Today, the same rice is costing 70 rupees per kilo. Aap dekho, almost double. You can say almost double. Within how many years? Say within 5 years. So 5 year में food item का price double हो गया. लेकिन मेरा सैलरी 5 साल में डबल नहीं हुआ है. Please remember that. इसलिए इधर problem are coming. So food inflation में children we include only the food items. Please remember that. Now comes retail inflation. Retail inflation is what is important to you, what is important to me. अब देखो retail inflation में what do we consider? Retail inflation में we are calculating inflation based on consumer price index. This is calculated on the basis of consumer price index. This is the real index for common people. ये देखो, आपके लिए और मेरे लिए we are concerned with this. I told you बाजू का दुकान में जाता है, उधर से आपने 2 किलो या 1 किलो ऑनियन लेता है. So आपको मालूम पड़ता है ऑनियन is costing say for example 50 rupees per kilo. वो आपके लिए बहुत ज्यादा लगता है because you are going to buy that product. Similarly, you are going to buy the milk. So you are realizing that, for example, suddenly 2 rupees per liter has been increased. So this is very badly affecting the common man. Children, please remember, I hope you are understanding, we are discussing the concept of inflation. So retail inflation में who is affected? Retail people. देखो, retail inflation में retail people are affected. The question is, madam, कौन है retail people? I told you retail people means yourself and myself. So मेरे लिए समझ में आता है लास्ट महीने से ये महीने में प्राइस इंक्रीज हुआ है, लेकिन ये पीरियड पर हम देख सकते हैं कि हमारा सैलरी बढ़ा नहीं. आप खुद देखो ना, ड्यूरिंग द पीरियड ऑफ दिस COVID-19. 1 minute children, I'm just searching that other color. During the period of this COVID-19, or you can call it as a pandemic, every paper, every media is glorifying the fact that, or they are emphasizing the fact that many people lost employment. It is a reality, and many are getting less salary. This is also a fact. सो कोविड के वजह से बहुत सारे लोगों का जॉब गया और बहुत सारे लोगों का सैलरी कम हो गया. लेकिन यही पीरियड पर से लास्ट 1 ईयर आप देखो व्हाट इज हैपनिंग टू द प्राइस ऑफ पेट्रोल. चिल्ड्रन, लास्ट 1 साल में पेट्रोल का भाव को क्या हो गया, ये दुनिया में है या नहीं? I told you, consider this situation. This is very, very realistic situation. One side per we are all, I am talking about India. Oh, what did I do? मैंने तो कुछ किया. The whole thing got above. We are talking about COVID-19. Many people lost job. Many people's salary become less. Fact. But during the last, say, 1.5 years, what is the condition of price of petrol? अभी पेट्रोल का प्राइस कितना है बच्चे लोग पर लीटर? अभी पेट्रोल का प्राइस कितना है? मैं तो दुबई फॉरेन कंट्री का पेट्रोल के बारे में नहीं पूछा, इंडिया का पेट्रोल के बारे में पूछा. What is the price of 1 liter of petrol? Very good, 112. Excellent, children. बराबर. So highest price, you can say that more than 100 rupees petrol. And this was happening during the last 1 year. Continuously price was increasing. Day-to-day basis, the price was increasing. This is known as retail inflation. Why? You are affected, I am affected. Already trains were not running for so many months. वो पीरियड पर लोगों को जॉब में बुलाइए दे, उधर पहुंचने के लिए एक ही रास्ता है. They have to depend upon two-wheeler. Okay, read that. So when they are depending upon the two-wheeler, what is happening, children? I told you many people, they have to reach their office. Train was shut down for, you can say, almost 1 year, you can say. डोंबिवली में रहने वाला पर्सन, कल्याण में रहने वाला पर्सन, उसको ऑफिस पहुंचने के लिए एक ही रास्ता था, टू व्हीलर पर जाना पड़ेगा, नहीं तो कार में जाना पड़ेगा. So all this require petrol and salary has become less. That time petrol ka price was going on increasing and common man has been put it into maximum suffering. Please accept the fact. How do we say that? वो देखने के लिए I am using the word retail inflation. Please remember, retail मतलब एक individual. That is the meaning of retail. Wholesale का opposite is retail. So children, we are quickly, refreshing. What all things did we study? This is very, very important concept. First one, we have seen what is inflation. Inflation का meaning सबको मालूम है, price increase होता है. That we call it as inflation. उसके बाद हमने पढ़ा what is headline inflation. अब मेरे को बोलना पड़ेगा. Headline inflation क्या है, children? We have studied headline inflation, then we have studied core inflation, we have studied food inflation, we have studied retail inflation. All right, so very, very important concept. Forget about economics, even otherwise you should know about it. Okay, so what is food in, what is the General inflation, children, what we call it as headline inflation. Headline inflation क्या है बच्चे लोग? आवाज किधर गया? हाँ, लिखा होगा. Top, correct. Headline inflation is top line inflation. You are right. So top line inflation means we are calculating wholesale price index. Some students who have joined late, I'm still repeating because it is such a significant topic. 100% इधर से objective आएगा. Headline inflation means we are calculating it as the top line inflation. That means wholesale price के ऊपर हमने inflation calculate करेगा. आपको मालूम है wholesale price and retail price में बहुत difference है, लेकिन इधर generally government वगैरह we all talk about headline inflation government, so that क्या होगा, consumer price index देखेगा भी नहीं, wholesale price index के ऊपर inflation calculate करेगा. Then I'm talking about core inflation. I told you core inflation is something which is rather very, sad in the sense it does not include two major things. So core inflation is headline inflation minus food inflation. We are excluding two items. Food items are also excluded, petrol prices or energy prices. Energy means oil, petrol, please remember. So जो major component है वो दोनों में avoid किया है, फिर आपको क्या आंसर मिलेगा? Then we are calculating or we are explaining what is food inflation. I told you everyday life में हमने जो item लेता है, that is known as food inflation. Okay, and food inflation mean with the help of the food, sometimes general inflation, what we call it as the core inflation, or what we call it as a headline inflation, maybe 5 to 6%. Everybody says that कितना अच्छा हो गया, inflation बहुत कम हो गया, लेकिन आप food inflation देखने पर इंडिया में है, it is 18%, 19%. क्या समझ में आया? God only knows. Look, मैंने क्या बोला? I will rub it off, otherwise there is no place over there. Government का data says inflation in India is 5 to 6%. India का inflation is ranging between that only 6 to 7, not 5 to 6, rather 6 to 7. Okay, 6 to 7%. Single digit inflation, people are happy, government is happy. But when somebody is measuring food inflation, it is moving between 14% to 18%. आप ही देखो कितना फर्क है करके. So that is why that food inflation is a very important component. You can never avoid that while calculating the inflation. Retail inflation हमने बोला. Retail inflation में what are we doing, children? In retail inflation, we are calculating inflation based on consumer price index. I told you consumer price index is nothing but what you and myself buy every day. Okay, this is the real index for common man. So many times I told you. अभी अब एक नया concept आता है, बराबर पढ़ने पर एग्जाम में नहीं लिखेगा. What is GNP deflator? GNP, gross national product, GDP. You can calculate on both. What is deflator? देखो, GNP deflator is equivalent to, ये देखो, nominal GNP divided by real GNP. It is very, 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 very important. Deflator कैसे calculate करता है? Nominal GNP divided by real GNP. क्या difference है, children? Suppose that मेरा salary है 40,000 monthly. Okay, this is my salary. So here what will happen? This is my nominal GNP. Okay. This is my GNP, this is my salary. Okay, now the real question is, what is the real GNP? Real GNP क्या है? A 46,000 rupees monthly salary में मैं क्या क्या खरीद सकता है? That is the real GNP, the goods and services that you are going to buy with the help of that 46,000 or 40,000. Okay, that is the crux of the problem. Why? The real GNP is very, very important. Real GNP, ma'am, we are calculating the goods and services which are available to us. बिकॉज मेरा सैलरी 40,000 है, मेरा सैलरी 50,000 है, देखने के लिए कितना अच्छा है मैडम, कितना सुंदर है, लेकिन प्राइसेस इतना बढ़ गया है, आपको वो सैलरी में जो मिनिमम चाहिए वो भी नहीं मिलता. Okay, let us take a person who is earning say 40,000 per month in Mumbai, not a bad salary. That means he is earning around 5 lakhs per year. Okay, approx. That person, how can he buy a 2-bedroom hall kitchen in Mumbai? Central area में मिलना बहुत मुश्किल है with this salary. The reason is prices of houses are very high. So children, we are because it's a free version. So anytime it will, or the Zoom version will be automatically switched off. So before that, I am taking your attendance. I hope you are understanding the concept of inflation. Chat box में डालो.
200 heroic के
First time sharing SYA. सबको समझ में आया. थैंक यू भी बोला है टीचर. SYA का शेयर किया. This is SYB. Now I am sharing. दोनों शेयर किया है. Thank you, children. Yes, okay, children, thanks. I am winding it off, okay?